Every Wednesday, we meet for a live stream called Talkin' RV Tech. It's presented by RVTravel.com.
We not only answer technical questions, but we also share what we like to call cool tools. These are tools and gadgets that we actually use. We also believe they will be very helpful to you. Check out one of our latest shares.
So this one here, this is an oscillating tool. They have a bunch of different attachments and whatnot, cutting, scraping. It allows you to do a lot of different things. We use these very much all the time when it comes to like dry rot or cutting out panels. It allows you to come straight in and make those cuts without having to come in and peel up full things on the floor, or say you're making a cut into a wall panel, putting in an outlet, something like that. You could make your cuts and be done. You don't have to drill your holes and run it across.
Cut an access hole.
Yeah,
or something.
and trick of the trade too, on hard roofs, fiberglass roofs, metal roofs, you can take a really dull scraper blade and it'll take that stuff right off without hurting anything,
Don't try it on your rubber roof.
No rubber, no rubber, no TPO, it don't matter. You'll screw it all up.
If you are interested in learning more about this cool tool, please see the YouTube description box for more information.
And more importantly, consider joining us live this coming Wednesday at 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time for Talkin' RV Tech.
You can join us on any of the YouTube or Facebook destinations linked below. We hope to see you there.